What's going on, YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with another video for you guys. As you guys can see, we have the Air Jordan 5 Shattered Backboard. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet of these bad boys right here. And also, before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and also press the notification bell so you guys get notified when I upload videos like these. Send a big shout out to my brother, man, HOLYSNEAKS. You guys already know who that is, man. His link will be in the description below. Go check him out if you guys want kicks. My bro always coming through for me, man. Definitely go give him a follow on IG and hit him up if you need these kicks, all right? Let's get into these Air Jordan 5 Shattered Backboard. This shoe is dressed in a fan favorite shattered backboard theme. I'm just here to give you guys the review, and you guys can let me know in the comment sections below what you guys think about them. Let's get straight into it. Typical Jordan 5 box, nothing special at all. Would have been dope, they would have gave us a nice orange box or something like that, but they didn't give us anything like that. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro. The colorway is Sail Orange Blaze. Retail on these is $190. Inside the box you got that regular paper and that is it. Starting on front of the toe box, you got a nice tumble leather. The leather is very soft on these bad boys, I must say. You got the white laces. Doesn't come with any extra set of laces. Now going up on the lace lock, you do got the Jumpman in the orange. On the lace lock, the tongue is in 3M. You got your orange Jumpman. Now these is pretty clean, I must say. Let's get to the side over here. As you can see, take a look at the midsole. You got the orange on the midsole that goes around the whole shoe. With the black also, air bubble unit is clear. Now up here, they give you a mesh textile material. Now, I don't know what the hell they was thinking. You got the mesh textile material over here also. All sail upper. On the midsole, you do have the silver shark teeth with the black speckling. Get to the medial side of the shoe. Medial same as the lateral. All sail leather upper. The orange and black on the midsole with the shark teeth. With the silver hit, the black speckling. Alright. The leather on the side is also good, man. I must say the leather's very nice. Now the textile, you can see that cushion under there. You see that? Back, take a look. You can see you got that textile in the back also with the black Jumpman with your black and orange. All sail in the back. Behind the tongue, you got your Air Jordan sparkle look to it. It's crazy. I like that. The Air Jordan upside down. Inside the shoe, you got the orange inner sole, black Jumpman, black sock liner. It's a translucent bottom, orange Jumpman under the sole with your hits of black. And it does have that yellow tint to it. So these are going to release October 2nd with a retail price of 190 bucks. I want to know what you guys think about these. I'm curious. You know, I'm not going to say they look bad. They look clean. They're a different kind of shoe. Got a little, you know, vintage look to it and stuff like that. But I want to know what you guys think, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections below. If you guys going for these for sizing, I do recommend you go true to size. And yeah, man, that's basically it. Everybody out there, thank you for watching. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. It goes a long way. I really appreciate it. And we about to get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.